This consists of 3 sets of practices: the preparation, the main part, and the conclusion. As the preparation, take refuge and generate bodhicitta, then pray to the deity and the guru and offer the 7 branches. Sit up straight and breathe in and out 21 times without any confusion, omission, or addition. This will help to make you a suitable vessel for meditative concentration. For the main part, the root text says, consider all dharmas as dreamlike, as this indicates the whole environment and the beings within it, which we perceive as objects, are dreamlike. That is to say, they appear as they do because our own minds are deluded, and not as a result of even the slightest factor aside from mind. We must therefore put a stop to our projections.